What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm gonna help a viewer on with his avalanche. He's trying to figure out how to turn on the cargo lights beds, which is easy. There are two switches here. Now well, there's some switches here, and then there's a little switch here, a little button. So he's saying whenever he presses a switch, the interior lights turn on, probably similar to like this, but the cargo light doesn't turn on. That's because, my friend, you're hitting the wrong button, I believe. So hopefully this helps you. This button here controls the interior lights and stuff, and the headlights and whatever. Whenever you're probably washing your car, doing something like this, you want to press this one so everything turns off. No more powers in the vehicle. You're not going to drain your battery. That is basically the function for this. I leave that on whenever I'm not doing stuff like that, so when you close the door, it'll, you know, come up and it'll turn off by itself when you close the door. But in this specific video, this one is the wrong one. You have to press this light here. Whenever you press this one, it looks like a little picture of a fog light here. It's this upper one. This one here is for the fogs in the front, but this one here is for the cargo light. So you just press this one and your bed will turn on. So here is the bed. It's on. And then if we go back and we repress this light again, it should be off, which it looks like it is. So that's basically it. I hope this quick video helped you. If it did, please make sure you like this video and also leave your comments in the comment section below. Like I said, I really hope it helps. And if it didn't, let me know and we'll try to figure out a way to help you. Hope this helps, like I said again, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.